Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is me, Pendekar X. So, someone asking me how to live stream from PC to Omlet Arcade. So, today I want to make a video on easy way how to live stream PC to Omlet Arcade. Okay. So, the first step is you guys need to download OBS Studio and install. Muat turun OBS dan pasang. So, you guys need to go to Google and then just type OBS. And after that, you guys go to download and just choose download installer. So I already have OBS, so if you guys have finished download the installer, you guys need to install it. So after finish install, you guys need to open OBS Studio and set up. So just open the OBS Studio, buka je. Okay. After that, it will remain black screen here. Akan ada screen hitam di sini. So the scenes also have nothing. Tak ada scene langsung kat sini. So the first step is you guys need to create a scene. So I'm gonna name it Livestream 1. You guys can pick any name you guys want. And then if you guys want to live stream game, so you guys need to add sources. You guys need to add game capture. So you guys can name it any name you guys want to. And then you guys can choose either capture any full screen application or capture specific window. And then you guys click OK. Okay. So the first step is link your OBS Studio to Omlet. Sambungkan OBS Studio kepada Omlet. So if you guys want to stream from PC to Omlet, you guys need to get the stream link and URL server. Okay. So you guys need to go to Omlet. Just open Omlet and make sure you guys connect with your account. And click to stream dashboard. Go to stream dashboard and then go to stream settings. So dekat sini korang boleh dapat link RTMP URL. You guys need to copy it and go to settings, go to stream, and then you guys can paste it here. The stream key also have here, so you guys need to copy your stream key and paste it here. So the service, if you guys want to live stream to Twitch or YouTube, Facebook Live, you guys can get the stream key. But for now, I want to do Omlet, so Omlet is categorized as custom. So pick custom and then apply, and then click OK. So next time if you guys start streaming, you will be linked to your Omlet account. Korang akan link daripada OBS ni kepada stream Omlet korang. Okay, saya harap ini membantu korang walaupun video ini sangat simple. Hopefully this will help you guys. Let me know if you guys have problem. And thank you for watching. Bye bye, see you later.